You can actually visit this incredible village in Spain, and it's hard to believe people really live on top of this cliff.
Spain is famous for Barcelona, Madrid, and its sunny Mediterranean coast. But some of its most unforgettable places are tiny villages where time seems to have stood still. Hidden among mountains, cliffs, and rolling countryside are medieval streets, stone houses, ancient castles, and traditions that have survived for centuries. If you are looking to experience the authentic side of Spain, these hidden villages deserve a place on your travel bucket list. And stay until the end because our final destination is one of Spain's most spectacular cliffside village. And before we begin, if you are planning to explore Spain by train, rental car or regional buses, a comfortable travel neck pillow can make long journeys much more relaxing. We have featured one in this video and you can also check out other few travel essentials in the product section. Okay, so let's begin. First is, you can read the name on the screen. It is a difficult pronunciation. It is pronounced as Albarracín, and this is often considered one of Spain's most beautiful medieval villages. Its narrow cobble street, pink colored stone buildings, and ancient defensive wall transport visitors hundreds of years into the past. Walking through the village feels like exploring a perfectly preserved medieval kingdom. You can check the estimated daily budget on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time, and these estimates include accommodation, food, and local transportation depending on your travel style. A travel tip I'll give you: walk up to the medieval walls for incredible panoramic views over the village. And let's move on to our next destination. It is Frías. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. Despite having fewer than 300 residents, Frías officially holds the title of one of Spain's smallest cities. Stone houses cling dramatically to a rocky hill beneath an impressive medieval castle, creating one of country's most photogenic landscape. Every narrow street offers another glimpse into Spain's rich history. You can check the estimated daily budget on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time, and these estimates may include accommodation, food, local transportation depending on your travel style. A travel tip I'll give you: visit the castle early to enjoy the best views before larger tour groups arrive. Okay, so let's move on to our next destination. It is Besalú. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. And this is one of Spain's finest preserved medieval villages. Crossing its magnificent 12th century stone bridge feels like entering another era, where ancient street, Roman skew buildings, and quiet square tell stories from centuries ago. The village is a paradise for history lovers and photographers alike. You can check the estimated daily budget on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time, and these estimates may include accommodation, food, and local transportation depending on your travel style. A travel tip I'll give you: visit at sunrise when the famous stone bridge is beautifully reflected in the river. So let's move on to our next destination. It is La Alberca. If I'm again pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. This place was the first village in Spain to be declared a National Historic Site. Traditional timber-framed houses, flower-filled balconies, and peaceful plazas preserve an atmosphere that has changed very little over the centuries. Local festivals and customs continue to keep the village historic character alive. You can check the estimated daily budget on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time, and these estimates may include accommodation, food, and local transportation depending on your travel style. A travel tip I'll give you: try visiting during one of the village's traditional festivals for an authentic cultural experience. And let's move on to our next and final destination. It is Castellfollit de la Roca. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. And this is the destination we have featured in the starting of the video also. And it is one of the most dramatic villages in Europe. Perched on top of a towering basalt cliff formed by an ancient lava flows, this place seems to defy gravity. Its breathtaking location has made it one of Spain's most photographed villages, and from a distance, it almost looks like a movie set balanced on the edge of the world. The surrounding volcanic landscape makes the view even more unforgettable. You can check the estimated daily budget on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time, and these estimates may include accommodation, food, and local transportation depending on your travel style. A travel tip I'll give you: walk to the viewpoint across the river for the village's most iconic photograph. So these were the 5 hidden villages in Spain frozen in time. from medieval hilltop towns and ancient stone bridges to colorful historic streets and dramatic cliffside settlements. These villages showcase a timeless side of Spain that many travelers never discover. Which hidden village would you visit first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing places to eat and see around the world. Thank you so much for watching.